Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install apps using winget commands on Windows 11. In addition to using a standalone installer, you can also use Windows Package Manager, which is the winget command to download and install apps on your laptop or desktop computer. The Windows Package Manager is a command line tool, and it makes it easier to discover, download, install, update, and even remove apps on Windows 11 or Windows 10 using command prompt. So this would reduce the time it takes to install as compared to the graphical user interface method, where you may need to do multiple clicks and selections to get an app installed. On Windows 11, you can use quick and easy commands to find, download, and install virtually any app that has been registered with Windows Package Manager repository and also from Microsoft Store. I'll right-click on Start and click on Windows Terminal Admin. Click Yes. Now to use the winget command, you have to make sure that the app installer has been installed using Microsoft Store. Otherwise, if you type winget command, you may get an error that says winget command is not found or it's not recognized, both in PowerShell as well as in command prompt. So open up Microsoft Store, type app installer and press enter. In my case, it is already installed, but I'm going to click on update. All right, it has been updated. So I'm going to close Microsoft Store. And I'm going to come back into Windows Terminal. If I type winget, I can see the available commands for winget. Let me clear the screen. Now to search an app, type winget search, let's say Visual Studio Code. Make sure you put the app name within double quotes if your app name has multiple words with space. And I'm going to press enter. Now it is going to search for the app. You have to agree for the source agreement terms. So I will type Y and press enter. All right, now it will list the app name as well as the app ID. So you can use the app name or the app ID to install this application using Windows Package Manager tool. You can also see under source column, it will tell us whether the app is available from the Windows Package Manager, winget, or Microsoft Store, MS Store repository. You will also notice that the app ID will have a different structure depending on the source. For example, the Visual Studio Code has the ID of Microsoft.Visual Studio Code in the winget repository, whereas Visual Studio Code, it has an app ID that consists numbers and letters. These are the same apps, but depending on the ID you use, the app will install from different sources. Let me clear the screen. Now to install an app with winget command, simply type winget install Microsoft Visual Studio Code within double quotes and press enter. In this case, I'm using the app name, but you can also use the app ID. And the command is also the same, winget install and the app ID. But using the app ID is the better option because it is more specific and lets you choose the source repository, and you will find fewer conflicts running the command. So now you can see it is doing the automatic installation of Visual Studio Code, and now it says successfully installed. Okay, now to check if the apps are installed, you can again use the winget command. So type winget list and it will list all the applications that are installed on this computer. So you can see Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which we installed using winget. Now if you want to check if a particular application is installed, you can type winget list VMware tools within double quotes and press enter, and it lists the application name as well as the version. There you go. This is how simple it is to download and install apps using winget command in command prompt. I hope you liked this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.